Hey guys, what's going on? I have another review of Profit Surge Trader this morning. So this is getting very repetitive. Every week when Nate Bear releases his trading alerts on the Monday, I've been given reports on these. You can look through my channel. And basically every week we're seeing winners. So anywhere from 10 to 50% winners over and over again. So the same thing is happening this week. If you want to buy Profit Surge Trader, I'll put a link in the description below where you can go and check out this link right here. You can get the whole thing for $179 with a 365-day no questions asked money back guarantee, which you can see right down here. So you can check this out, basically paper trade it for a few months if you want. It's one of the best services for the price, or even for a higher price than I've ever seen. And so I think it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you like overnight 2 or 3 day swing trades. And Nate is a really good teacher. He turned $37,000 into $2.7 million trading this exact strategy. And every Monday he gives out his trade alerts around 12 p.m. Eastern time via a live webinar, which is really good. And he answers everybody's questions, but he also emails out the alerts and sends out notifications on those. So if you can't attend the webinar, no big deal, but it is really helpful for learning what he's doing and why. I try and cover that a little bit in these videos. Let's get started on what he did this week so far. So of course we had Labor Day on Monday, so the trade alerts came out a little bit later in the week. And so here is the dashboard. And Cava, C-A-V-A, is this month, so the month of September's Profit Surge trade. So that's basically something that's had really good earnings, and then the idea is there'll probably be a continuation of the upward momentum on that trade. So we're going to talk about Cava, and we're going to talk about forward, FWRD, forward calls. The other ones he hasn't closed yet, and I'll only talk about the ones he's closed, because the other ones could do whatever, we have no idea. So let's start with forward. You can see what he placed on the right here. Short squeeze alert. So this has nothing to do really with profit surging after earnings. This is just a bonus trade. And remember, you get one main trade, which in this case is Cava. In fact, he did two in Cava, but you get the idea. Cava is the main profit surge trade on the Monday, but you also get these bonus trades. So the first one I want to talk about is this forward, and you can see it's based on a squeeze, a short squeeze alert. So he's saying he's playing the 195 chart, and it's a high short float pick. The 195 chart is perfect here, and I'm reloading after taking profits yesterday. Trading plan coming shortly. Here's his trading plan. He explains it in the webinar a lot better, but you can see he marks it up here. So he said forward has 25% short float and a very bullish chart, and you can see that straight away. You've got this uptrending higher lows, you've got this resistance level right here. This is a typical bull flag, right, on the 195 chart. And so he is saying he's looking for an entry near $32, stop and close under 30, target 34 plus. Note there's room to go to 40 on a short squeeze. So that was kind of the trading plan, but as you know, we don't always follow the plans exactly. So what ended up happening is he ended up taking this as a day trade rather than a swing trade. So this is when he got in roughly, and then the same day he exited just below the peak for a very quick 20% profits on that one, I think. Let's just look down because everything's time stamped in here, so there's no tomfoolery going on. Yeah, so right here, 20%. Let's book the winner here. I want to reload it, so keep on watch. And so far he's been spot on with this one. So he was looking for, what did he say? It looks for near trade target 34 plus. He didn't quite get that target. He got 33 something. But you can see he was right though. He got that quick move and he was right to take profits because we've had this huge sell-off way down to below the price he bought it at. So there's a chance he'll reload on this. So if you're watching this and you're not a member of Profit Surge Trader and you like this trade thesis, then it might be worth checking this out down here. If you like, you know, the rest of it, maybe your own technical analysis suggests this might be a buy on this potential short squeeze stock as well. So that's the first one I wanted to report to you from this week. The second one is Cava, C-A-V-A, which is, like I said, the pick for September. So every Monday he's going to be doing at least one Cava pick. You can see he's actually got two going. The one I want to talk about is his Lotto high risk one. So he did one where basically it was one DTE. That's why it's Lotto and high risk. He said Cava on a down day, taking a very small risk shot here. So he bought the Cava 96118 calls at $1. And if we go to the Cava chart on TradingView here, Here we go. So it was 1 DTE, so you had to sell them pretty quickly because it's the 6th at the moment, so they expire today. At least that's what I think. Let's just double check here. Yeah, so he took these Lotto high-risk 1 DTE ones. He's also got these longer dated ones as well. Probably shouldn't be showing that because they're still in play, but it's hard to show you these dashboard timestamps without giving away some of these extra picks here. So looking at Kava on the 1 minute chart on TradingView, you can see there was plenty of time to get these Lotto picks at a lower price than him, which again is a problem that keeps coming up with these gurus, is it's difficult to sometimes get the same price as them, but with Nate Bear you can often get much better prices than him if you just are patient and wait a little bit. And then boom, this morning we had this huge spike and he got out. It was only a 15% winner, but not bad for a quick 1 DTE trade. And that is marked down here, closing Kava Lotto, about 15%. So he says, alright, so the indices have come up a long way off the lows, but frankly I don't trust it. So that's why he's taking profits quickly, because we are seeing a bullish move up. But he doesn't trust it, so he's just saying I'm taking the profit now on this Lotto, because this could expire worthless, right? If this is today's expiration, this could expire completely worthless. So he's taking the early pop in the Kava price, taking it on the Lotto. For his longer position, it's nowhere near the targets, so he's going to hold on to that for a bit. Let's just see what Kava actually did on the daily. So if we go to the daily chart for Kava, on right here, 1 day. So this is, oops, didn't mean to draw that line. So this is perfect. This is a kind of a freebie for people that aren't even in this particular Profit Surge Trader service. This is exactly what we're looking for and has worked for the last year. At least I've been a member. So you can see the little E for earnings right here. We had this big pop on earnings. We've had a pullback here. We've started to consolidate. And the hope is this will continue to grind higher. And every Monday at noon, we can look for another pick that maybe takes advantage of the grind higher for the whole month. So pretty interesting stuff. Again, if you want to buy this, I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite services of all time, partly because it works and partly because of the price is only $179 for the whole year. And you have that ironclad 365-day, no questions, money-back guarantee, which is phenomenal and not the industry standard at all. It just shows the level of conviction they have in this service. And you know, if you've been watching these videos, you've seen winner after winner after winner, dozens in a row sometimes, every week, just winner after winner. So really phenomenal. I really trust Nate Bear. I really like him. I've done an interview with him before on my channel. If you've not seen that one, I'll try and leave a link in the description below, both for this landing page right here, so you can go and buy it, but also for that review, well, that interview with Nate Bear as well. So definitely check those out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.